Hello friends. Hi, Ajay this side. So today I brought you a betting system prediction using deep learning. I built this system on Keras library. Grab the dataset, that is an open source dataset. Okay, and the dataset is about the betting system, horse riding betting. Okay, I built it and I obtained 81% accuracy till now. So yeah, but I believe the chances of winning and losing in betting is never independent. These sequences are always dependent on the past sequence. And yes, true, if you are going to bet with 81% certainty, then definitely your chance of winning get high. Okay, this is another algorithm built by my organization and me. This is Ajay Atav. That's my email ID. You can mail me for product development and such type of things in future, like betting system or even prediction of any type of betting system. All you require is data, else I'll provide you. Right now I'm also working on database so that I can grab some more data and we can work on it. Okay, you can call me for inquiry and related project at my number. Also visit my website at www.webtunics.com. Okay, let me give you a briefing about my company. And this is Webtunics Solution, India's #1 well-known artificial intelligence company. Okay, and our intelligent mind already have breakthrough so many product type. Okay, right now available in market. We work on stock market, work on betting system, healthcare diagnostic system, web scraping, data mining, recommendation system, sentiment analysis, speech recognition system. Okay, and source localization, echo cancellation, blah blah blah, and the bind source separation, music tagging system, and many more. We have already developed such type of things, already have API for those intelligence system type. And yeah, we are still on the learning stage, so we are developing on it. Even if you are a researcher and you want to perform a collaborative research with us, just visit our website www.infinitesolution.in and you know more about it. Okay, we have already also developed uh, uh, portal, online portal for machine learning training. So visit for that thing, mindcreature.com. A one-on-one single portal where you can get dedicated lecture by our experts. Okay, and this is the only portal available in the world where you can get a dedicated classroom for you. And that is yeah, that's from virtual. You know, don't need to come here or come to India. You can get anywhere from the world. We are already delivering so many classes at present. So get enrolled now. For getting enrolled, just visit our website mindcreature.com. So without wasting any time, let me get back to my main algorithm. So here I use some advanced activation layer so that I can get the improvement on my accuracy. Let me show you our database first. Where it is. Okay, hold on a second. This is the database right now I'm having. You can see it is okay. So I have limited cases right now, 38,249. There's a horse named, okay, and the event, whether it is losing or winning. Okay, there's a probabilistic model. So that's my script with that advanced activator. I just pre-process the data here till now, and with the pre-process the data, though I have taken this script from internet till here, so definitely there's a great contribution of that guy. So when I get splitted the data x train, y train, x text, y test, so I just perform the numpy array here. Okay, and there after that I get uh, modules like this. Yeah, I'm getting too much call. I hate it sometime. So let me show you my X train and Y train format. Okay, let me make it debug for a time being. For the speed of the performance, I'm using GPUs. Okay, that's my array for training. Okay, so yeah, 5 input vector and total 30582 samples. Okay, test case. And their labels I used by I apply categorical here, so 01, because here it is good, then we categorize the data so that we can perform it well. Okay, so after thereafter I just create advanced activator layer for increasing the accuracy, and I'm using pre ELU here. That's my dense layer. Size of dense layer is 512 64. And I told you so many times, this is the problem in deep learning or any type of system type, the tuning how you would be able to tune your system so that it will get maximum validation accuracy and maximum testing accuracy rather than focus on training accuracy. So that is the module I'll show you some other time. Okay, we have already built that type of module which make it adaptive. Okay, but right now I'm showing you, I'm giving the dropout layer 0.2, again a dense layer, activator ReLU, softmax hereafter, and the last dropout layer is 0.25. Okay, and for getting more accuracy, finally we applied the softmax. That is the system type. Definitely the output sequence is 2, so we need to place 2 here. Batch size I'm taken here 10, number of epoch I performed for 10, and here I apply here I just make I just run the program and see what will happen. Okay, so let me get back to the running mode, and here I run the program with advanced activator. Definitely this program help you out to build this thing. Okay, and you will be able to make it more accurate. Okay, this is the program I'm showing you for open source purpose, you can, so that you can build it. The more accurate program I cannot show you because that's for company policies, and will be built for dedicated for the people. Okay, and yeah, it is on developing stage. We had used more data and uh, more layer also. That program you can see the validation accuracy is higher than the training accuracy here. So after the system will get trained, okay, that's a prototype version, how you will be able to perform the deep learning on the batting system. That is a prototype. So once you will be perform this thing, so you will be getting accuracy like here. If I guess you won't able to see everything, so like this you will be getting parameter, and 80%, 80.355% will with a validation score 0.499. Okay, in this case if you going to perform betting with this program, yeah, that there's a chances of winning and losing is 50-50. In actual program I'll be getting accuracy for certain reason I cannot show you, but yeah, let me make it run again. So for a timing I'm proposing this program so that I can only show. So I'm going to run it now. Currently, the company has achieved around 88% accuracy. I had done mistake little bit at the beginning. So we are working on this model. So that's a prototype. As you can see, we have achieved 88% accuracy, like I'm showing you. Okay, so this accuracy we have achieved till now, and that's a validation, that's accuracy for testing on the testing. So if you going on bet with an 80%, 88% certainty, definitely your chances of winning will goes much high. And the entire system is based on deep learning. Though I've trained my system only for 10 epoch, if I increase the number of epoch, okay, my accuracy will get automatically getting high and high. That's an optimized program. I've used ReLU Softmax here. ReLU for increase speed up my processor, advanced ReLU, so that help me to get out from the gradient, achieve the gradient zero. Okay, so this is all about the betting system, and I hope you enjoy this thing. As I had shown you my the basic program type. Okay, so once you will be able to build this thing, which is though it is having little bit low accuracy, but yeah, system is good. System is good. This much you can do. Okay, and the rest is you have to buy if you want to do it, and you can make it by yourself by watching this video. And thanks for watching this video. Let me giving a briefing about myself. I'm Ajay Jatav. Okay, and you can contact us for building massive software based on deep learning, recommendation systems, speech source suppression. Okay, and yeah, definitely the number one organization in India who is able to build such a system, such a massive machine learning software. Okay, thanks for visiting us. Must visit ajayjatav.com because we are at the data collection phase for disease diagnostic system. So just visit it and view, give our view, and definitely try it out whether it is correct or not. And this is all about today. This is all about this video. This side Ajay Jatav, and I love you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.